Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making a special Brazilian treat called Brigadeiro. Brigadeiro. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I think I am. I looked it up. So, Brigadeiro, what are they? They are fudgy, chocolatey, caramel treats rolled in sprinkles. Yes, who doesn't love that? Chocolate, caramel, sprinkles. Oh, heaven. Yes, indeed it is heaven. I had these for the first time when I was actually in New York on a food tour, and they melt in your mouth, are super delicious, can last in your freezer for just about a month. What is not to like? I'm also making them because I get to sing this song. These Brigadeiros are such a treat, chocolatey and caramel sweets. You cannot resist them 1 second anymore. Oh, I can't wait till I taste them. Oh, so delicious, and I made them. I could go on and on and on and on, but then I won't make these bonbons. Let's do this. These brigadeiros come together so quickly. Obrigado. Yes, thank you very much. Sweetened condensed milk, some salt, cocoa powder, butter on the stove. Spread it out to cool, then make them and roll them in whatever you like. Start by melting 2 teaspoons of butter over low heat in a skillet. Add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, or feel free to make your own sweetened condensed milk. Add 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder that has been sifted so it's nice and light. Pinch of salt. Whisk for about 5 minutes until the cocoa powder is all the way incorporated. Turn the heat to medium, and we're gonna wait until it starts to pull away as one big sort of mound. That takes about 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Stir constantly with your heat-proof spatula. It's been about 7 minutes, and I can see how thick it is, and it's staying together, and it is lovely and shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the heat and put it on a tray to cool. Scrape the entire mixture onto a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to let this cool to the touch, and then we get to form our brigadeiros and put toppings on it. The caramelly fudge brigadeiros has been cooling. It is ready to go, and we're going to roll it into a scant tablespoon. So I have 2 teaspoons here. That is just shy of a tablespoon, so that's what we're going to use. You're going to butter your hands, and then which kind of sprinkles are you going to use? Rainbow? Chocolate? Or perhaps you'll be wild and crazy and try nonpareils, my favorite. Butter your hands a little bit so that you'll be able to scoop up the fudge. Roll it around. Start with the rainbow sprinkles. It was sticking to my teaspoon scooper here, so I'm going to go ahead and put some butter in there because I think that's going to make it a little bit easier to get out. Look at that, much easier. Let's try nonpareils. Ooh. Oh my, yes, these fudgy caramels with the sprinkles on top. They smell heavenly, and I know because I've been taking taste tests all along. I can't help myself. That they're going to be super delicious. They were so easy to make, and I made about 21, and you could probably make anywhere from 20 to 28 depending on the size of your brigadeiros. Obrigado. The sprinkles are all around it, and it looks super delicious. I'm gonna take a bite. That is heaven. They have the crunch from the sprinkles on top, but the caramel itself is so smooth and chocolatey and sweet from the caramelish flavor throughout. These are delicious. And remember, you can freeze them. You can keep them on your counter, but they will not last very long. These were so easy to make and so delicious. What a celebratory or anytime treat. Brigadeiros. If I can make these for the first time, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm going for more.